Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make use of my, I have a snapper fish tail here for making braised fish. Yeah, braised fish, 红烧鱼. Okay, this is actually 海底鸡, 红烧海底鸡. And then what we need, very simple. We need few pieces of ginger, few cloves of garlic, and some chicken stock. Of course, we will need some light soy sauce and stuff. Yeah. The step is very easy. Pan fry this and give it some extra enhanced flavor. Then we add in the chicken stock and braise it. Okay, once the oil is heated up, you can see the ginger is actually curled up. I'm putting the fish. I actually make few slits on the body of the fish. Also, I have sprinkled a bit of salt on top of it to marinate the fish. I'm using a non-stick today, a non-stick wok, so I'm not worried about sticking. Still, I would like to make it really crispy on the surface, so you don't have to touch it. I will leave this side at least for another minute or two before I flip it over to the other side. We'll come back shortly. So this is after approximately 2 minutes on the first side. I'll try to flip it over. Okay, so we have gotten a nice char on the surface of the fish. This is what we want from this particular step. Give the other side another minute, then I will take the fish out. And the fish is only like about maybe 50% cooked. Okay, this is after another minute plus. I'm now going to take out the fish. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to give it a little bit of oil here. And let's saute the ginger and also garlic. Saute until you char the ginger and garlic a little bit before we continue. So after a while, we will get some nice char on the garlic and ginger. This is the time we can add in the chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use hot water. And we are going to season this with some light soy sauce. Let me lower down the fire first. Some dark soy sauce. And for those who don't mind taking alcohol, then we'll put in some Shao Hsing wine. I will also give it a bit of my favorite Vietnamese premium fish sauce. A little bit of salt. A bit of sugar. Now I can raise the heat. We can also add in a bit of oyster sauce. Okay, about 1 tablespoon. Next thing, we put in the fish using the long spatula. Because the fish now is already half cooked, I'm going to put it onto a medium heat to let it and close the lid and let it cook for another about 4-5 minutes. Then everything should be fully cooked. This after about first 2 minutes. I'm going to flip it over. And I added few pieces of chili just to give it a little bit enhanced flavor. Almost done. Okay, this is after approximately total 5 minutes. Oh, smells so good. The fish is definitely fully cooked. Let me put it onto a serving plate. And all this nice flavor braise. I will also put it on top. Okay, here's my fish. Pour the braise over. You can also add some veggie to the braise if you want. Some capsicum, yeah, cabbage, up to you. And I have some, give it a bit of fresh chili and chopped spring onion. And let me top it out with a few dashes of white pepper. Done. Simple, but very yummy. Goes really well with white porridge or white rice. Okay, I hope you like. How would you cook this particular dish? Can you leave your comment inside your the comment section? Yeah. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.